So we are currently going up the mountain, going to Heavenly Ski Resort. We're about to um, tackle on a day of snowboarding. Goal today is to shred as much as possible for the whole day and try not to get hurt too badly.
I think my prediction for the day is we're gonna have a really good conditions, fresh powder. I'm only gonna fall 4 times. I think Sam's gonna fall twice, and Julian's a wild card.
Yeah.
I think.
Wild card here.
Yeah.
It's been a minute since I've gone snowboarding.
Well,
Okay, 4 times is
but
four.
not
Yeah, 4 little falls. It's been like I don't even know how many years. I have to do some really hardcore math for me to look into like when was the last time I actually snowboarded. But I have snowboarded a few times in my past, so hopefully it's like riding a bike. It just kicks in really easily. But from what I hear, Sam here is the expert of the bunch. So we might catch him doing some air, just a little bit, a tad bit some air. I think I'm keeping this camera in the car for now.
Yes.
So I'm switching to the GoPro. Sam.
Stand straight up. You know the runs you're gonna do? Like greens, blues?
Oh, for sure. Blues, maybe blacks.
Maybe blacks?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're good. I'm gonna bring you a bigger one, okay?
Okay. Yes, I'm good. Maybe I'm just confident. We are going up the ski lift. Can you tell who's who? I'm Julian.
I'm Deb.
And that's Sam.
That's sad.
It's very cold, so it's like in the 20s probably. And we're very high up in this lift. Like high from the snow.
Shit, you can't even see the building almost down there.
Update. Hello guys. I think I fell once or twice, but I finally got the groove of it again because I was definitely super rusty like on that first one. I could barely even snowboard. Now we're gonna shred, get some air, and have some shots here and there. Like
That rhymed.
that's Viviana.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Going to the family learning ground. I got Crown.
Green apple Smirnoff.
Smirnoff spicy tamarind.
No, y pa' dentro.
Woohoo!
I think the mix between the spicy and the apple, yeah, not so good.
Sam tried to do a jump and he failed miserably. So
What do you think?
So what are we doing next?
We're gonna try that jump again.
Okay.
And this time, we're gonna nail it.
Are you gonna jump?
I'm gonna jump.
Okay. Are you gonna jump?
Oh yeah. We're going for that big air.
Are you gonna jump?
No.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Oh.
That would have been so cool. Oh no. Oh, he
His
lost
pants fell down.
Oh no, pick up your pants.
Damn.
Okay. We made it.
We did it.
This is our 4th run, right? 4th run?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're shredding it.
We are.
We're doing it.
We're going to the top this time, if it's open.
It's not.
What a buzzkill.
We're trying
I'm
to.
buzzed.
I'm not, why am I not buzzed?
Let's do another
You're not
shot.
drinking enough.
Big
That's
cup
as
it.
far as I can
What's
go.
going on back there? Ready?
Cheers. Cheers, buddy.
I want to do a good shredding round before I bust my ass on a tree.
Do a shred.
Okay. Fast.
Fast.
We're
I'll
gonna go
meet you guys
fast.
at the bottom.
Yeah?
Oh, really? You want to race?
No. Maybe.
I'll roll out of this.
Okay, this is the part where I
Come on,
suck
come
at.
on, come on.
What? Okay, I'm gonna give you some room.
Keep recording.
I think you got us ready.
I am a motherfucking wreck.
Okay, the sun is out, so I figured it'd be a good time to get some footage of what a nice day out in the snow looks like. I mean, it's a nice day anyways, but now it looks nice.
Beautiful, delicious Irish coffees.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh man. Bailey's, Jameson, and a pour of hot brew,
Cafecito.
and some whipped cream. This is so good right now. Oh yeah,
Hit the spot.
hit the spot. So we made it back to the house and we're eating our pizza because we haven't had any food all day. Well, we have had food all day, just not an actual meal. And yeah, we're all pretty tired. I was dying towards the end, so I'm glad we called it when we did. So, yep, later.